guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a succulent video, and I don't know if you can see it, but there is a weird bug right there. We don't know what he is, so, let's get right into it. So we're going to start off with the small succulents, like this one. I think this is a new one, I believe. It's very pretty. I'll tell you how to, or show you how to get like these leaves off and put them in here. So this is our next one, and I don't think there's any leaves down. Well, there is. So I don't know if you can see, but there's one right there. All you have to do is you have to take the bottom ones off, and they'll just kind of come right off. You place them in here, and it will grow new ones. So as you can see, there's some of these little seeds, or whatever they're called.
They're leaves.
God.
They're leaves. It's okay. They're leaves on the... You just pull them off, and you can put them out, and as you can see, they start growing little roots on them, like that. And looks like they're trying to go down and get water like that. So that's how you start new succulents, and we can show you some more of them.
So for the past year, we've been taking the loose ones off. Oh, this one's actually kind of loose. And we put them in the ground, and then they will grow these.
Do you have to bury them?
No, you don't. You can just place them on top, and they'll grow roots. Sorry. So here's our big one. And so let's see if I can find if you bump, never mind. If you bump.
Nope, you bumped it. It's okay.
Speaking of bumping into stuff.
Yeah, I just bumped it again. You can see little baby ones that are coming up here that are not even attached to anything.
Speaking of bumping into stuff, if you bump into a succulent and it falls on the ground, just pick it up and put it back in your pot. It's not dead. It's just a leaf, and it will regrow. So I just got this one off, and look at it. It's it's growing. So
that looks really cool. Look at that, guys. It looks like a little flower growing in it.
I'm gonna put this on the ground, like right here.
And if you're wondering why her fingernails are dirty, we just dug through the potato bag. So you should watch that video and definitely give it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's gonna be it for our succulents.
Thank you, and have a great day. Make sure to like, sub, and ring that bell.
Yep. All right. See you guys later.